How to set timer on Snapchat camera. So if you want to set timer on your Snapchat camera, this video is for you. Open up your Snapchat app. After you open the Snapchat like this, now here is now the camera. So tap on this arrow. After you tap on this arrow, here is the camera section, here is the timer section. So select the timer like this. After you select the timer, now if you want to set the timer, all you have to do now, long press your hand on the timer. After you long press your hand on the timer, here you can be able to see this option. So as you can see now, from 1 second to 2 minutes. So now you can go ahead now and choose a specific time that you want to, or specific like duration of your video, like 1 minute or 2 minutes maximum. From there you can tap on this set timer. So now if I tap on this, now it will start counting. So now my video is recording, and now my video will not stop recording until the time that I set has finished. So now if the time has finished, my video will stop recording. Let's see. So as you can see now, if you want to stop the timer before the time ends, you can tap on this stop button. So now here is the video that I recorded. Here is the video. That's it guys on how to set timer on Snapchat camera. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.